Reducing the weight of components and optimizing the use of materials are pivotal factors to improve the energy efficiency and the environmental impact of the automotive industry, also offering significant cost savings. Developing new materials with enhanced properties is a key strategy to achieve these goals. With that aim, DigiMAT Project Consortium has oriented their efforts towards developing a new generation of custom-built materials, with the help of data mining technologies and artificial intelligence.
When it comes to the manufacturing of casting, avant-garde technology and experience are for sure important factors to achieve efficient process and quality products. However, understanding and controlling the science behind materials behavior give us the biggest clues.
Identifying the key parameters and factors affecting the aimed characteristics opens the path towards custom materials design.
Within the DigiMAT project, we have developed a digital structure based on 4 concepts. The first one is the metallurgical knowledge, supported by AZTERLAN and AAPICO. The second one is an advanced data mining, in order to create new knowledge. The third one is artificial intelligence models, to get prediction in real time. And the last one is a predictive monitoring system, that allows us to make smart decisions. This software is called DigiMAT Smart Module and is deployed according to the AAPICO process control system.
As a demonstrator, the research team has created a new grade of cast iron, with improved machinability, and a new material with increased yield strength to manufacture brake system parts to be produced by AAPICO Portugal for Continental Teves company.
After identifying the parameters and factors affecting these 2 characteristics on cast iron braking anchor and housing, we have defined the action protocols to get specific material grades. If any deviation is detected, the system will automatically propose corrective actions.
With no doubt, the results obtained within DigiMAT project will change the way to manufacture new generation of iron castings and reaffirm that cast iron will keep a significant place within automotive industry.
The DigiMAT project is funded by the EU Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme EIC Fast Track to Innovation under Grant Agreement number 830,903.